Okay, so today we are going to demonstrate how to install packages of bees from Man Lake that come in the plastic bee buses. Okay, so you want to start by removing the 4 center frames out of your hive, as we've done here. Next, you're going to take your hive tool, pull up the 2 tabs, and then slide the plastic cover off of the top. Okay, now at this point, you want to take your spray bottle with sugar water and just spray both sides of the package. This is just coating them with a little sugar water. It kind of makes them calm, gives them something to do. They'll start cleaning themselves off. Now you're going to take the package and quickly and firmly just knock it down so that all the bees fall off the bottom of the package, just like so. Next, you want to pull out your feed can, remove the queen, and close up the package. Okay, now that you have your queen, you're going to want to brush whatever bees are on her. You can brush them into the box. And then these queens do not come with candies. See, they just come with a cork right there. So you're gonna have to replace that cork with a marshmallow, usually by the time you get your package. These bees have already been with that queen for at least a few days, so she doesn't need to be in there for too long, and it'll only take them about a day or so to chew through that marshmallow. So using a knife or your hive tool or even a corkscrew, you're gonna pull that cork out. Now you have to be careful. You need to watch the queen. One thing you don't want to do is accidentally let her out. She is very much wants out of that cage, and if you're not watching, she will fly out on you. So generally I like to get the cork out and cover the hole with my thumb as I do it.
Cork is out.
And
waiting
then
for the queen to turn.
Watch the queen in the cage again, make sure she's facing away from the hole, and fill the hole with a mini marshmallow like so. And there you go. Now she's ready to go in. So we're going to set her aside. And then we're going to take this package now. We're going to give it one more shake like we did before, knocking them to the bottom. And then on the ends, using your hive tool, you're going to pry the tabs. You can see them at the top and bottom. And once you get those detached, that whole end will open like a door. Okay. Now you're going to open it all the way, face it downwards, and knock the bees into the hive. give them a little bit of smoke as well. Kind of not too much. You don't want to over smoke them. And then start setting the frames back into the hive. Now in our case, we have frames with already built foundation or built out or drawn out comb. So we're able to just press the queen cage right into the face of the comb. If you don't have drawn out comb, don't worry. There's a little tab on the end of the queen cage. You can use a thumbtack and just secure it to the top bar of your frame, and that way it hangs between the frames. But as I said, with us, we have some frames with already built comb, so we're able to just press her into the side. Just make sure that the screen of the queen cage is facing in a direction where the bees can get to her so that they can feed her while she's in there. So there you go. Happy queen right in there, ready to go. And we're gonna go ahead and insert them, giving a little bit of smoke so as not to crush any bees. And then we can go ahead and slowly insert those frames. Okay, now we're just gonna center the frames. Grab our top cover, give them another puff of smoke just to kind of coax them out of the way so that we don't crush any bees. And then you can ease it on, that way hopefully they'll move out of the way. And there you have it. Now, some people will put a little grass in the entrance. That's not something I've ever seemed to be necessary, but you do want to place your entrance reducer in there on the smallest opening. That way it ensures that they don't have a whole lot of space to have to guard. Okay, and you are done. We usually recommend not going into the hive for at least 5 to 7 days. After that, you should start to see eggs. They should have some built comb, even if you're starting with brand new frames. If you don't see eggs at that point, give it a day or two, come back in. And if you still don't see any eggs, be sure to give Manlink a call and they will get a replacement queen out to you. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope this was informational and useful for you, and good luck with your bees.